This one is about emotions, it's about feelings. Love is this word nowadays. This is everywhere. This is every single time you go anywhere. Love nowadays is sold. Love nowadays is everywhere. Love and improvisation and just an irrational feeling and acting irrationally is nowadays is trendy, and it is just a way to tell you that you should just follow your instincts. Yes, it is not a lie, and you should definitely follow love. There is nothing better, but not you have to use your head as well, because you have one heart and one brain. This is not a coincidence. Think about it. Feelings. Love is a feeling, isn't it? Or is love a way of acting? Feelings, you will choose at the end of this audio. You will choose whatever you want to choose. Love as a feeling or love as a way of living your life. I'd rather choose the second one, but that's your only choice. If you take love as a feeling, know that feelings are created only inside of you. Only you can control your feelings. Yes, you can do that. Not always. When you feel sad, you feel sad. When you feel happy, you feel happy. When you feel worried, you feel worried. Oh, it's fine. It's absolutely normal, and that's what makes us human. It's not anything wrong with that. It's just that you have to sometimes try to act upon that if you are getting desperate for the smallest of things. And if you don't think rationally and just say, hey, this is just not worth it, I have better things to worry about, it can consume you. How many people are consumed by the smallest of things? Don't you agree? Feelings can definitely change. We don't want love to change, do we? Do you want love to change? I do not. I rather choose love as a way of life. I don't want love to be a feeling, like a fleeting way of acting because of hormones or chemicals. Love is for me not a feeling. Love is just the way that things should be. But feelings, acting only upon emotions that change, that go up and down, that are dependable on the outside only, and if you don't control them, can bring really disastrous results. Like, for example, if you just feel like doing something, that's not a problem. If you follow that once, that's not a problem. If you follow it every single day, that's not a problem by itself. If you feel like having a glass of wine, no problem, one every night. It shouldn't be bad for you. It can be bad for you. But what about if you just feel like having a glass of wine at work and don't think about it and follow your emotions? This is just not something that will benefit you in any way. We have to be mature. We have to think. We have to think first. We have to feel, and feelings are the best way to decide sometimes about what you want to do in your life and about the goals you want to follow, because that's the real you, and that's what you should follow in life, you, yourself. But sometimes it's just better to step back, to think about it, to think about the repercussions, to think about anything that can happen, to think about how it will affect your life. Just don't forget emotions. Emotions are what makes you human. Just take a step back, be moderate, think first. It will definitely help you. Just try to make the best decisions that will affect you best in the future. Alright? Not today. Think about tomorrow and next month and the next year. I know you can do it. Not only emotions, but also thoughts. Thank you.